In this video, we will demonstrate how to control the equipment to perform laser engraving. Click the Connect button, then click Confirm. Click to switch to laser mode. Click the Image button. Import the image to be engraved. Select the image and adjust width and height in the upper parameters. Double-click the layer entry to open the detail parameters. Set processing speed, power, image mode, and other parameters. For leaf carving here, select grayscale mode and negative image for better results. Click the Produce Preview button to navigate to the Control and Preview interface. Click Move to position the spindle appropriately. Align the snap and press down firmly to secure it. Insert the terminal and connect the air hose. Click the Active Laser button to activate the high-speed mode. Click the Frame button to emit a low-power laser beam, allowing you to verify the accuracy of the working area. The focal position is achieved when the distance from the bottom of the laser head to the material is 5 mm. Click the Start button to start processing.